Hi, it's Vandana on Learning English. Let's proceed our journey towards the learning of the tenses. And today I will teach you about the future continuous tense, which is the eighth one. Yesterday I dealt with the simple future tense, and today my lecture is on future continuous tense. Future continuous tense. It always gives us the sense of कर रहा होऊंगा, जा रहा होऊंगा, in future. Means future, in future you will be doing this work, so you will be doing any activity in the future. So when this is there, when you are making in Hindi कर रहा होऊंगा या जा रहा होऊंगा, so that is at that time we will make use of the future continuous tense. Now the next part is its formula or the form of the verb. That will be will or shall plus be plus first form of verb plus ing. I repeat, will or shall plus be plus first form of verb plus ing. Now as I told you, will is used with he, she, it, I, you, they, singular as well as plural nouns, but shall is used only with we and the I. The verb will be like this: will be doing, will be working, will be swimming, will be writing. So this is the future continuous tense, be. We insert be plus followed by ing, and continuous tenses are always followed by the ing. Now next is the situation where it is used. It is used to depict any action or activity that will be taking place in future at a particular time. Means any activity which will be continuing or happening in future at a particular time. Future activity is continuing, going on in the future. So let's consider one illustration, and it is when I will reach your house after 2 days. When I will reach your house after 2 days, you will be traveling by train. When I will reach your house after 2 days, you will be traveling by train. Now here there are two parts of the sentences. In one part, first part is depicting the time, that is after 2 days. What I will do is I will reach your house, because here we will use simple future tense, because that will depict the use of the future tense. Only then we will be able to make the future continuous tense in the next part of the sentence. You will be traveling by train. Will be traveling. So will be traveling is the future continuous tense. Similarly, when my friend will visit my office tomorrow, I will be working. When my friend will visit my office tomorrow, I will be working. So the situation here is, in the first part is when my friend will visit. So will visit is the simple future tense we will use. On the second part, what will I will be doing at that time tomorrow? Means after tomorrow, what I will be doing is I will be working. Will be working is the future continuous tense. So I had made two sentences. In one of them, it is shown that in the first part of the sentence is the simple future tense, and the second is the future continuous tense. But they are showing in the first part that the after 2 days, what activity will be going on. Means we are predicting the future, and that will be going on, that will be continuing. And in the second part, tomorrow, the next day, so the reaching of the office, so what activity will be going on, means what is expected at that time. So that is depicted in the future continuous tense. So always remember, whenever you will have to use the future continuous tense in a sentence, one part will have the simple future tense and the other part will depict the future continuous tense कि future में क्या कर रहा होगा. मीन्स दैट इज़ द मीनिंग कि फ्यूचर में उस टाइम पे क्या एक्टिविटी चल रही होगी. सो दैट इज़ देयर. नेक्स्ट इज लेट्स फर्दर take some instances to that is the practically understand this tense. First is the three types of the sentences is we will consider is affirmative or the positive sentence. He will be working hard. He will be working hard. If you want to add tomorrow, you can add tomorrow. Our simple purpose is to understand the how the this tense is used in a sentence. So he will be working hard, very hard tomorrow. He will be working very hard tomorrow. So now here the tense we are using here, future continuous tense, is will be working. Will be working. So will be working is the future continuous tense. Now next is the negative sentence. So how we deny this any situation, at that time we will put not. He will not. We will insert he will not be working very hard tomorrow. He will not be working very hard tomorrow. He and will remain together. Between will and be working, we will insert not. Be will come with the verb working. Will stay with the subject. So he will not be working very hard tomorrow. Next is the interrogative sentence. So of the positive, how we will make? We will simply interchange the position of the subject and the helping verb. So helping verb will come at the first place, will come at the first place, he will go at the second place. Will he be working very hard tomorrow? Followed by the sign of interrogation, and rest of the part remains the same. Similarly, we will make the another part of the negative sentence also. Will he not working very hard tomorrow? Will he not working very hard tomorrow? Simply what you have to do is you interchange or exchange the position of the subject and the verb. One will come at two will come at one. He will he. So rest of the sentence remains unchanged and it is followed by the sign of interrogation or the question mark. So that way we make the three different type of the tenses. So to summarize the things, so first is the future continuous tense is always